Hey there, today at Bannock Auto Sales we have a 2012 Toyota Tundra. Very nice truck, paint condition is very good. Does have winter tires on rims, and it comes with the upgraded summer tires and rims. Very nice. The winter tires are brand new. It does have the 8-cylinder engine. Full 4-door cab. Bottoms of the doors and the rockers look great. Has been crowned. Power seats. It's got the big view screen. Air cruise windows locks. 4-wheel drive. 236 848. Nice running boards. It is the SR5 package. Again, bottoms of the doors and rockers look great. Here, off-road package on it. There's the Tundra 4x4. It does have the Raider truck cap, bed liner, tow hitch. Again, everything's in nice shape on this. Same thing here, everything looks great. Well, it's undercoat, no issues, and it does have the original looks. So if you're looking for a really nice 4-wheel drive truck, this might be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471, and this is Noah for Bannock Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.